Well, hello, pretty face. Welcome to my unboxing of my Emma Kate Co. Daily Planner in the colour blush. When I'm running Galmatic, I am very old school and I still use a paper planner when I'm writing our video scripts or doing any planning whatsoever. I still use pencil and paper. And as a paper planner, I found that it was very difficult to find a beautiful planner made in Australia, obviously living in Australia. So I was very excited when I got this lovely planner from Emma. Comes boxed beautifully in some nice hard cardboard, and the planner is actually in a keepsake box as well, so it comes to you quite perfectly. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm opening it with you together, and this little card's just got a discount code for your next product, so I'll put that to the side, and I won't show you the code so that you can only have one if you buy a planner yourself. So opening it up, it's wrapped in tissue paper and this exquisite looking keepsake box. My goodness, it's gorgeous. Now, this is what they describe as a desk planner. So the size of it in width is 155 millimeters. It's 195 in height, and the thickness is 45 millimeters. It's got 480 pages, which is 240 sheets. So it's just under a kilo in weight. So it's something that you definitely can take with you to the office, or if you're going to plan at a meeting or at a cafe, but it isn't a very, very light planner. So it is one that's designed for you to leave at your desk. And it comes with a lovely note from Emma. And as you can see, it's wrapped exquisitely, so it's a beautiful gift. Now I'll just gently take it out of the box. Now the actual keepsake box, I'll go into some more detail and show you a little bit more at the end of the video for those of you that would like to see. But it's a beautiful dusty maroon red color with lovely polka dots in it. So that's something that you can keep any of your little paperwork or receipts in, but it's also great to then keep for the end of the year to put your planner back in for when you use a planner next year, so you can keep it for reference, especially if you use it for business. It has an elastic closure so that it actually keeps your planner closed when you're not in use, and as you can see, the most exquisite foiling as well. It's actually the elastic goes through the back, so it doesn't actually flick off, which is great, because I know a lot of planners have more of a belly band elastic, so this one's connected to the planner much like a moleskin. So if you open it up, you can see the inside cover is the same as the inside of the keepsake box. So it's a beautiful dusty maroon red with the polka dots. All of the writing that is in the planner is actually hand scripted by Emma. You have a 2019 calendar and then also the 2020 calendar. And on the left-hand side, you have what looks like a blank page in the video, but it's actually dot grid. And then you have all of your monthly planners all at the front. So you've got your January, February, and right through. As you can see, it's a dated planner. This is January. And what's fabulous about this one, which I've never seen before in any planners I've used, is that Saturday and Sunday is that little bit larger. Now we teach a lot of our workshops and we do a lot of work on the weekends, so this is great for me. As you can see, there's all the little hand scripting, and each month looks a little different depending on what day the month starts on. So you've got quite a lot of room for writing. It's a 2-page spread, and there's also blank space where you can do any free writing, you can do any drawing or any bullet points. It's got quite a lot of room for you to be a bit more expressive than perhaps some other planners that have note sections or top 3 or a bit more prescriptive with what you write. Now this is the daily planner. So at the start of the week, you have a blank dot grid page for bullet journaling, for writing your to-do list or your plans for the week. As you can see, it's a daily, so you have the week up the top. On the right hand side, it'll say the month, and then you've got the day and the date. and a full page of dot grid for you to journal away and write all your plans and your to-do lists, to do any perhaps drawing or any scripting. So we make a lot of videos, so this is perfect. It allows us to do a little bit of drawing and scripting as well. On the left hand side, down the bottom, half of the bottom section has 3 lines where you could do your top 3 or use for other things that you want to look at on a daily basis. And you also have a rectangle that's free form for you to also do some more note taking. The entire planner is like that. So the start of the week has your blank page, and then you go Monday through to Sunday, and each day has its own page. And as you can see there's the blank page for the start of the week as you start back in on a Monday. So this goes through for the entire year. So it's a full year planner, which is why it's that little bit more weighty. The paper is an off-white, so it's got a lovely creamy color to it, and it's 120 GSM, so it's a beautiful weighted paper. And as you can see, you have 3 ribbons, so you can have one for the month you're in, for the day you're in, and also at the back for the note section. So it doesn't have tabs sticking out. You've got your 3 ribbon dividers where you can then divide depending on what day you're up to and what you want to focus on. Now it goes right up to the end of the year, but because the 31st of December is not a Sunday, it goes through obviously till the first few days of January. And then you have all of these pages at the back, dot grid as well, where you can just do free writing, free drawing, or any other planning that you need to do that isn't necessarily for a set date. So it's absolutely wonderful for anyone that wants to be more expressive and less prescribed. In the back, there's a little pocket section, so you can pop that open. It's a lighter blush color, and inside it comes with some sheets of stickers. So as you can see, there's enough expansion there where you can fit more than the sheets of stickers that come with the planner. You can put receipts in there or any lists or any things that you want to keep on the go with you. And there's 2 sticker pages. The one I've just put down is like a mint green, and this one has a white background. So you have different stickers that you can place throughout your planner to do important things and so forth. Both sheets are the same, it's just the color that is different. So this one's the mint green one. So you can pop them in the back with anything else that you may want to keep on the go with you. So it's definitely the only, planner notebook that you would need. You really wouldn't need to carry anything else with you. You can leave it at your desk because it's absolutely exquisite, but you definitely can take it with you. It's a big planner, it's quite weighty, but it's not too heavy that you couldn't carry it in your bag. It has the year on the side, and what you'll find is that when you keep it in the keepsake box, it's also got the year on the side too. So if you're buying the planner every year, you can then have the box standing up in your bookshelf and quite easily see what year you've got sitting on your shelf. So the foil on the front is a rose gold, and it's really beautiful. It doesn't come up here as rosy as it actually is in real life, but as you can see, the foiling on the side is absolutely exquisite. It's lovely because it's not branded too big at the front with the name of who made the planner. So it's definitely one you can take to a meeting if you'd like to. On the inside, it's got some lines where you can write your name or your phone number or any personal details. It has this lovely little inspirational quote at the front, hand scripted by Emma. And of course your 3 ribbons, which are a dusty maroon, which is the same color as the inside cover of the planner and the inside of the box, a lighter pink and a coppery color. And as you can see at the back, it's very elegant, just the Emma Kate Co. And your keepsake box, where you can keep anything you like in during the year, but it's perfect to then pop your planner back in at the end of the year so that you can keep it. Or if you want to travel with it and you don't want any of your planner damaged, you can definitely pop it back in the box, and it's got the year in there. I hope you all have a fabulous year. Happy planning.